Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we are at Gagan Mahal, or also called as Rani Baghits. So about this, if I have to tell, this is just an open darbar or a stage kind of a thing. But the significance of this is when Aurangzeb actually captured the Adil Shahi kingdom or the dynasty. He wished that the Sikandar Adil Shahi, who was the last ruler, to be presented in front of Aurangzeb here in silver chains in this stage. Let's go close by and see what's there on this platform. So look at these magnificent 9 feet width arch wall here. Each of these walls built here have a specific dimension of 9 feet, and this entire arch is about 60 feet. Well, it's ruined, most of the part is already ruined, but you can still come and see a lot of intrigue architecture. This is the platform where Aurangzeb had actually wished Sikandar Adil Shahi to be presented in front of him as a prisoner in silver chains. This is how the park looks from here. So it's time to get up on the platform. Look at the upper layer that was used. Look at the thickness. It's almost an inch thick coating that's there. That's how it looks. So you see a door here that takes you up on the arch there, but it's restricted. So we can get inside from here, but then we chose not to since it's restricted. This is on the other side. So somewhere there on the outskirts there you can see the fort being there. That's the Bijapur fort. And this is how this entire structure is built here. So look at this. So this is the perimeter or the outside frame. So this continues here, and these were again built by the same kind of stones. I guess there are halls or anything on the top, but the access, as I told you, is restricted. So there are few rooms that we can see, or the windows or the outlets that can be seen. So there's a park open space there again on the other side, and this is how it looks from this side. So as I told you, I mean, this is a fort area, and when we came on the other side, we could see this pit which is generally dug up at the perimeters of the fort. So if you can look at this entire thing is filled with water as a part of security system. in there. So there's the park on the other side also, where it is a little greener, more calmer, unlike the other side, and cleaner also. But I don't see any access to that. So there's some green algae-filled water. That's how this looks. So we were there, and this is on the other side of the park. So we wanted to visit the second location here, and the next location was Asar Mahal. When we checked it in the Google Maps, it showed a walkway of around 600 meters from the Gagan Mahal, which was the earlier destination. Right, so from there we have now come here. This is an active mosque here, and precisely the one you're seeing behind me currently, that's the Asar Mahal, the Hall of Justice. So when we looked up, this was built by Muhammad Adil Shahi in year 1646, and this was also in the upper floors. There's a lot of decoration done. Probably now the prayers are going on. We could just hear the prayer calls, and there is a tank in front. There are 3 tanks, which is apparently 15 feet deep, and that's pretty much in this area. So you can see a lot of kids playing around here, and a lot of families again have come here to rest. So it is also told that the beard hairs of prophets were stored here. So we've just come on the parapet wall, and here we can see the prayer hall, actual prayer hall, where people are offering prayers, and there is also a pond which houses a lot of algae filled green water. So that's pretty much for this video here. So nothing much to do. I will show you some photographs on the around. This should be around let's say a acres area, the entire garden, partially maintained, not completely well maintained. You can see a lot of weeds have grown around, but then there is some grass that is grown, and that's how it is. A lot of people are enjoying with their family. So this is basically a family time outing, or a typical picnic that we all used to have in our childhood. So that's pretty much for this video here. If you've liked the video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to the channel, do hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications whenever I upload a new photo. That's every week. So until next time, that's in the next location, it's me, Nikhil, signing off. So that's the view of the huge Lord Shiva there.